Today we are going to review these gulkans on the basis of ingredients, recipe, manufacturing, storage, and which is the right one for you. So let's find out. First is this one, which is from Fonda Ghat, that is a very old and established Ayurvedic pharmacy which is manufacturing in Nasik. So this is how Fonda Ghat Gulkand looks. Now the second one is this one, which is handcrafted. I actually know the founder of this particular pharmacy, and this one is based in Nagpur. So this is called as Swasthyam, and this is co-founded by two sisters. Dr. Surbhi Pathak is someone who I personally know, so I'm really excited to try this one out. And as you can see, this is how the gulkand looks. So now first let's identify the ingredients. What does the label say? Is the Fonda Ghat one. It says Gulab Pushpa, Pravar Pishti, Sarkara, sodium benzoate. This one, we do not know whether the Gulab Pushpa which are used were fresh or dried. Ideally, a gulkand should have fresh rose petals used. And then it says Sarkara. Now again, we don't know if it's sugar, which is refined sugar, or is it the mishri or the rock sugar. So that's not mentioned here. On the other hand, we have Swasthyam's Gulkand, which actually mentions rose petals and rock sugar. So rock sugar is the one which should ideally be the one used, which is crystal sugar. So the traditional Ayurvedic recipe actually has rock sugar. Now the next part is about the recipe. What recipe are they following? So the recipe, as per the Ayurvedic scriptures, is to be kept in the sunlight. Yes, the rose petals and the rock sugar have to be kept directly in the sun until it crystallizes and the sugar melts into the rose petals, and that's how you make a perfect real gulkand. So in the case of Swasthyams, I do know that they have prepared this in small batches because it is handcrafted. And of course, Fonda Ghat, we have not got the actual mention, but this is also supposedly by the Ayurvedic recipe. Now more about the ingredient. Now this one, the Fonda Ghat one, has Pravar Pishti. Now Pravar Pishti is nothing but the bhasma of Pravar, which is corals, and this is especially helpful for balancing the pitta, the elevated heat in the body. Of course, alongside the rose petals and the rock sugar, which are going to balance the heat. This particular ingredient, that is Pravar Pishti, is a medicinal Ayurvedic ingredient which is additional. Now coming back to this one here, Swasthyam, this one has got purely just the rose petals and the rock sugar. Now let us look at the way these ones are kept. Now this particular one, Fonda Ghat, is in a plastic bottle. This one here by Swasthyam is in a glass jar. Now what the difference is that the plastic one is definitely not recommended in terms of preservation. Also, they have mentioned over here sodium benzoate. So they have definitely used that. When it comes to a glass jar, this is handcrafted in small batches, and keeping it in a glass jar is actually the best way to preserve its medicinal benefits and utilize it to the best of the capacity without the external environment actually damaging it. So glass jar is actually the perfect one. Now in terms of their manufacturing licenses, since the Fonda Ghat one has Pravar Pishti, it is manufactured as an Ayurvedic medicine, and the other aspect of Swasthyam is that they have a FSSAI because this falls under the food license. Gulkand is an Ayurvedic ahar, so this is under the FSSAI license. And in terms of pricing, finally, now the Fonda Ghat one is mass produced. So the pricing of 200 gram is rupees 118, while the Swasthyam one, which is also 200 grams, is priced at rupees 275. So, handcrafted and mass produced, there's definitely a difference in price. Now, which one should you go for? Now, this totally depends on what you are seeking to have. Do you want to have an Ayurvedic medicine with Pravar Pishti? Then definitely Fondaghat is the best one for you. But if you're looking for something just as a pure Ayurvedic food supplement to really help in your everyday Ayurvedic lifestyle, then I would definitely recommend the Swastham one.